Better late than never. Better late than never means it is preferable to do something or arrive at a goal late than to not do it at all. Let's look at some example sentences. My friend finally returned the book he borrowed last year. Better late than never. I finally decided to go back to school to finish my degree at age 40. I know it took a long time, but I feel like it's better late than never. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. He finally sent me the report after missing the deadline, but I was still glad to receive it. He finally sent me the report after missing the deadline, but better late than never. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.